Hey guys, we're just putting on down the road, coming back from the store, and of course they're doing road construction on my lane, and it totally really sucks. I despise road traffic. I despise like all this road construction stuff. It's a nightmare. I'm trying to get home and it's like, how do I get home, you know? I guess I could get home now this way. But how many of you guys hate road construction? I mean, look, they're digging up my road here and it's really bad. Anyway, it's gonna get worse. But anyways, guys, I'm home, thankfully, and I'm going inside. Sorry. And yeah, here we go, finally. Woo! Anyways, if you hate road construction, let me know, because I hate it too. But we are home. This is my car. It's pretty new. I've had it for about 3 years now. I first got it when a teenager ran over me and hit me from behind, 16-year-old, crazy teenager. He hit me from behind, and fortunately I was okay, but it was like, my car was destroyed from the back. But we're home now, and so I got this newer car. It has all these great features. Has a Bluetooth. I can talk hands-free. It's so nice. Yeah. And anyways, guys, just a quick video. Hope everybody's having a great day, and we'll talk soon. Okay. Bye.